From the roads, we look at crops, and this one looks great. Or does it? It's impossible to get an accurate understanding of the state of your crops from roads or even spot field scouting. The only possible way is to fly over with a camera which is high enough resolution to give you an accurate picture. Libitron Aerial is Western Canada's expert drone precision farming company. This short video will give you an idea of what we can give you to help take more control of your results. Seed and chemical developers have to perform. These organizations rely on data from drones to develop products and confirm results. Satellite technology is not able to offer competitive data. The low resolution and inconsistencies caused by the likes of clouds make the data undependable. Professional drone service providers work to stay current with the fast-changing technology. They learn what is and buy the best-suited equipment. They understand what the farmer needs to make the investment pay off and can deliver actionable information. They also obtain licensing, airspace approvals, and all other documents required to comply with Transport Canada requirements. The drone captures both RGB and multispectral images. These can be processed to provide information like what will help you manage drainage. A digital surface model shows you exactly where you can trench or tile to move water where you need it to go and to minimize corrosion. Monitoring your crops through the season positions you to be in control. You can proact with fertilizer or pesticides where you need them because the guesswork is removed. Professionally acquired multispectral data will accurately tell us what's happening with the crops. Different indices provide different information for each crop type, and so all appropriate are acquired and analyzed. A professional drone service provider will work together with agronomists and artificial intelligence companies to ensure maximization of results. Based on analysis, prescription files are provided for accurate application and to eliminate wasted inputs. Drone data identifies stressed crops, regardless of the cause. Because you know exactly where the stress exists, you know exactly where and what to treat, and so optimize inputs. You will be in control because you will know exactly what's happening in your fields. Using a professional will result in reduced input costs by eliminating waste. Join the precision farmers around the world who use professional drone service providers. Take control of your crops, earn higher profits, and increase your yields. The technology is proven. Be a part of it. Libitron Aerial is on your team. Contact us now to plan your strategy.